from the Lazy E Homestead. Today I am going to take this pile of scrap and I'm going to turn it into a chicken swing and a chicnic table. So stay tuned and watch me attempt this. May not be pretty, but I'm hoping it will be in the end. So right here I am cutting the legs for the chicken swing. And then we had this frame built for something else. We just had to try to straighten it up from it being warped. It was a pain, but we managed. I did have to bring in some help. I was trying to be able to do this on my own, but some things I needed my strong husband to help me with. Steve is always a good help. And then brought in the kids. Well, Charles. He helped do some of the painting, and then Steven started helping me with the painting as well. So I think putting these swings on was one of my favorite parts because it really brought together what it was that I was trying to accomplish. And then right after we got done with that, we started in on the chicnic table. And Steven was really helpful on that, on helping me put the legs together and bring my idea to life. We finished them. We've got our chicken swing set. Holy swings. So excited about that. And then our chicnic table. The chicnic table I will be painting eventually, but tonight time got away from me. But this I am so happy and so proud about. There'll be pictures as well. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. The chicnic table will be sanded down and painted. Just not yet. But the chicken swing set is all complete. I'm very proud of this one. Please ignore all the mess on our homestead.